Hello viewers, you are welcome. We have this problem here. We want to look for the value of x 10 to 10 to x equals 100. Now I'm going to rewrite this as 10 to 10 to the power of x equals. I'm going to write this as 10 to the power of 2 because 10 to the power of 2 will give us 100, right? Now from here, the bases are the same, so this implies that 10 to the power of x equals the power here, which is what? Which is 2. So now from here, what are we going to do? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to introduce logarithm to the both sides of the equation, and that is going to be log with respect to base 10. We have 10 to the power of x equals log, then we have 2, right? Base 10. Or better still, you can leave it like this without putting the base. It says the same thing. So now from here, this x will come down. We have x log what? X log 10 equals log what? Log 2. So now from here, log 10, we have the base here. So this one will turn to 1. Then we have x to be equals log 2. So, and that is the solution to the problem, right? So we have the solution to the problem to be log 2, right? Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the class, kindly share to your colleagues so they can benefit from it. Don't forget to share this to your colleagues. Hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime we upload new content, and also follow our Facebook page for more exciting videos. Bye bye.